Hi folks, I wanted to provide an update on our no-dig veg garden, comparing results over time. In this video you can see the plants after initial planting. And after 14 days, you can see fantastic growth already, particularly with the lettuce and the radishes. We've got a mixture of iceberg, butterhead and little gem for the lettuces, and the radishes are doing really well. The Brussels sprouts and the cauliflowers are getting eaten by the pigeons. And after 25 days, the lettuce is ready for harvesting, as is the radish. So we'll be able to harvest the first salads. Later on in the video, we'll be doing some succession planting some butternut squash and some beetroots. We've now put up netting over cloche hoops just to protect the vegetables from the pigeons. You can just about see my potato planters, they're not doing particularly well. In fact, only 1 out of the 10 seeds have actually shown any life at all. And those radishes look like bowling balls. As tasty as they look, unfortunately, you can see on some of them, something's been nibbling on them. We were expecting the taste to be really woody, but because they were so big, but they actually taste really nice. As you can see, we've got quite a good harvest for such a small amount of plants. There's quite a lot of radish, and they've grown really well in just over 3 weeks. That's the pots harvested. I haven't even started on the vegetable patch yet. You can see there, something's really been nibbling at that one. The lesson to take away from this is definitely to get those hoops up very quickly, because we took over a week before we had the nets ready and the cloche hoops. So lesson learned for next year. With the compost, it's really easy to get the plants out. Just grab hold of them and pull, and then smooth the compost out, and it's ready again. for the lettuce, I'm doing the cut and come again. So I'll just trim them about 1.5 inches, 2 inches on the base. Just cut the leaves off, give them a good wash and eat them. There's enough lettuce for many weeks, and they're growing so rapidly that they'll come again in no time at all. I'm also just removing a couple of the weeds that are starting to seed into the compost. Just keeps the bed tidy, little and often, just do a bit at a time. And I've got to say, the little gems were little gems. They tasted beautiful. I think after 3 and a bit weeks, that's a pretty good harvest. Makes a nice little salad. Now that the radishes are gone, we've got space for butternut squash. So we've got a few seedling plants. I didn't get the spacings right on these at all. But if they if they struggle to grow, then I'll probably just have to thin them out a little bit. There we are, just picking out a couple of weeds. If you want to see how the vegetable garden has started, I've got a video on creating the no-dig bed. It's so simple. Saw it on a Charles Dowding video, and it's just a fantastic system. Really impressed with the growth. You can see it's 3 and a bit weeks, and that's going to keep us fed for a little while. Thanks for watching.